Hello everybody, Cheryl Brewer with Century 21 Affiliated. I'm back with you today, and today I have my husband Bob here with me. Bob and I are getting ready to start a new project. We're actually in our dining room, which is right off of our kitchen, and we are just kind of at the planning phases of this design and discussing our budget. And I'm going to let Bob talk to you a little bit about the budget on this one.
Yeah, you're going to want to try to save as much money as you can on this project.
The reason why we're doing that is we do have some projects coming up that are going to be a little more costly. And we're just like you, we have to keep our budget down. And so on this one, we do want to do some designs that are going to be effective, but are going to cost little. So we are just taking a look at the room today, and Bob's going to help me out by panning the room with the camera in just a second. Our room is nice. It's not bad. It's a very large dining room, and we're very fortunate to have it, but it's just kind of unremarkable. It also has the disadvantage of being kind of dark. Bob's going to pan for you to see the rest of the room, and what you're going to notice is that we have a lot of windows and a very large French door over here, but we really only get really good light from this door and window about one time a day. So it keeps the room kind of on the dark side. And then we have a very dark feature wall here on the end of our dining room. So we're going to do a few little tricks, and we're going to share those with you in the next few weeks of how you can make a room look a lot different by just changing a few things, and you don't have to break the bank to do it. So look forward to those, and we hope you'll join us soon. Bye-bye.